How to stabilize a video in your Capcut, right? It's very easy thing to do. Yeah, right now you can see this is a video which I've imported, so you can just import a video here, right? And to import a video you can just click on import and then you will get a section. Now you can just open a video. Now drag your video to your timeline. Once you go to the timeline, select the clip which you want to stabilize here, right? And basically you will be in the by default on the basic. Now here you have to scroll a little bit down. You will get this option of stabilize. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will get an option of recommended, right? Basically, if your video is too shaky, if it is, it's too difficult to stabilize, then just go for minimum cut or more stable, right? So right now, if I just place this video, you can see it's a little bit shaky, but right now you can see this is on the recommended section and the stabilizing is getting applied, right? So when it's get 100%, you will see a change in the video. Okay, so the stabilization has been finished, and now when I just play this video, you will see it's not shaky, right? It's very proper and it's stabilized. So as you can see here, this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.